That poverty is my part of
Ce qu'on dit, l'intelligence dit ça. Ils viennent vendre l'or, le diamant, le cuivre au Congo et ils disent que le Congo est pauvre. C'est pas moi qui dis ça.
So he said that they came and get the diamonds and the copper from Congo, but they say that Congo is poor.
Donc je dis, mais dit-on que la pauvreté est noire. Ah, d'accord. Donc la pauvreté de Haïti, je la connais.
So he says the poverty of Haiti, because of my color, I know it.
On me dit, mais il y a l'insécurité en Haïti.
There's insecurity in Haiti.
Je dis, oh, mais moi je viens du Congo.
But I'm from the Congo.
Et vous savez que là-bas il y a une guerre que l'on dit une guerre ethnique, alors qu'elle se fait avec des moyens, des pétroliers, des avions de guerre, des hélicos de guerre. Ça c'est pas les flèches que nos ethnies ont créées.
So it's a war going on there, and it's not a war of bows and arrows. This is with the petroleum industry and with the big heads, helicopter attacks and stuff.
Il m'a dit, ok, attendez, je vois le consul. Et puis, elle est revenue pour dire que vous pouvez aller rencontrer le consul.
So they made an appointment with him to meet with the consul.
Et le consul m'a dit, vous avez entendu ce qu'on vous a dit?
The consul said, you heard what they told you.
Il m'a donné le visa et il m'a dit, j'ai voulu donner 30 euros, il a dit, vous allez donner ça aux pauvres haïtiens.
He went to pay for his visa. They gave him permission. He went to pay the money for the visa. He said, no, go give that to the poor in Haiti.
Donc pour ne pas caporaliser la parole, c'est Haïti qui m'a choisi. C'est pas moi qui ai choisi.
So to not monopolize the conversation, Haiti chose me. I did not choose Haiti.
Et ici,
Can I please introduce you to Posh?
No, just one more sentence.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Masengo. Oh, Mambo.
Mbongolo.
Mambongolo. His name reminds us here of a little animal that we know. It's like a little worm that has 1,000 feet. We call it milpat. We call that little animal Congolo. But that's the Congo.
Because they wrap up like this. Oh, it's so funny.
And why do we call him that way? Because in fact that particular animal has a specifically big head, which is larger than his body. And I think as a strong head, a big head, that's why Haiti kills him.
We went through all the introductions. They were very moving. We had Tears Shed, we had Song, we had Regarde le joli bébé là. Haïti en bois, ils ont écouté sur le tableau blanc.
Ah oui, bien sûr. Very nice.
So we have to talk about this. And I would like to introduce you to Daniel and Posha, who are the organizers of this wonderful trip from California, which is so far.
Daniel, how are you?
I'm fine.
Very
You
good.
remember
Last
Daniel?
year,
Yes.
I came here with a group of people,
You were here before.
and then this year it's Bosha and I, which
Very
is
nice.
next to me, who organized this trip
Very
and
nice.
bring people here to keep searching on the real deal, because we know how big you are in Haiti as a big chief on a priest religion. So we are so honored to be here
Yes.
and
Thank
sing
you
with
so
you.
much.
So I'm just passing to Bosha to
I don't feel big in you anymore.
Yes, you are.
Even though I talk about the big head. But in fact, I feel small. As small as somebody can be. Because in reality, what is our body? Not much.
Kokadav.
That's correct. In fact, it's our life and what we do with it. This is what will count.
Hi, Portia.
Hey.
Hey. Can you talk about Kakatou le 29? You're going to be doing something.
Yes. So we are celebrating. First, I want to say on air respect. I'm so happy to be here. I honor you and just thank you for being here for us today. So thank you. We are celebrating 10 years representing Haitian culture. Particularly, we are a dance company. We carry the message of Haiti. We have different choreographies that tell stories. And so we're here celebrating our 10th anniversary performing Lumiere pour Haïti. And Lumiere pour Haïti was our artistic offering for Haiti after the earthquake. And so we really felt like we needed to give back in a certain way. And so for us, since we are a dance company,